Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the second problem from the exercise 2.4. Let us observe question. 8 times of number is reduced by 10 is equals to the sum of 6 times of a number and 4. And we are asked to find out that number. Okay. So that means what? If you take a number and 8 times of that number is equals to the sum of 6 times of number and 4, and we are asked to find out such number. So for that, what we are going to do, I am going to assume that let x be the required number. Okay, and what we need to find out, we need to find out 8 times of it is equals to 8x, and what else we need to find out, we need to find out 6 times of 6 times of is equals to 6x. And what is the relation between this 8 times of x and 6 times of x? It means what? When we reduce this 8 times of x by 10, that means I'm subtracting 10 from the 8 times of x, that gives you sum of 4 and 6 times of a number. It means what? 8x minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 4. In this, we got an linear equation in one variable where we have variable on the both side of an equation. So, here on the LHS part we have 8x and in the RHS part we have 6x. As a 6x is smaller than the 8x, I'm going to transpose this 6x to other hand. In the same manner, I'm transposing this all constant sums to other hand of equation. For that, I'm going to transpose this negative 10 to other hand of equation. It becomes a positive 10. So that 8x minus 6x, that is equals to 4 plus 10. So 8x minus 6x, that is of 2x is equals to 14. From this, x is equals to 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are. So from this, what we got? X is equals to 7 we got. Therefore, what is our required number? Therefore, required number is required number is 7.